Hello, today is Monday, August 24th, and I just wanted to make this video before it gets too dark. Usually I make them in the morning. I just wanted to document this. I don't even know what to call it, but it's very textured paper. I guess textured tissue paper. Maybe that's what I'll call it. This, let me give you a little sampling. This started out with plain paper that I hand painted or hand dyed with different types of acrylic paints and maybe some alcohol inks, I'm not sure, but mostly acrylic paints. And then I crumpled it up and made this paper. On one side it has a flat matte look, and on the other side, I don't know if you could tell, it has a sheen. So I guess you could really use it on both sides. I love this one. This one reminds me of fall and leaves and sunsets in the woods, like sun peeking through the leaves of trees. That's what that reminds me of. And this green is pretty. I'm trying to give you both sides. You see the sheen? I'm not sure which side I would like to use. I guess the longest part of this procedure is just originally making the hand-dyed tissue papers. And this fuchsia pink is pretty neat. You just really can't, I don't really have bright daylight. This is the artificial light. But I think you can get a picture of what I'm trying to get across. My husband's trying to talk to me and he doesn't realize I'm trying to do a video, so yeah. And this one was actually pieces put together, smaller pieces of tissue paper of the same color, so I put them all together. But I like this technique, and I just think it's really kind of nice. So that's it. Something for the ocean, blue, maybe some Christmas trees or some type of trees. But there you go. Textured tissue paper. Alright, that's it for now. Bye. Oh, very quickly, this was one of the crumpled textured tissue papers, that I glued onto a bowl to see if I could make some type of bowl. I wanted to see the see-through quality of the bowl. And a word to the wise: when you're making these bowl type of projects with balloons, make sure your balloons are new and they are not old, because as I went to check on it, the balloon had popped and the bowl was the size of my fist. Now you see my hand, but it was the size of the fist because it had deflated and the bowl was still attached to the rubber. So what I quickly did is I tried to pull out as much balloon as I could because it wasn't really dry and the rubber was still attached to the paper, and quickly inflated another balloon into this bowl or whatever it's going to be, so that it would keep its shape until it's totally dry. So you can see it's very textured. It's, you know, just an experiment. Just wanted to see what's going to happen with this paper, different shapes, how hard does it get, you know, can I do this with just one layer, which would be, I don't really know, because tissue paper is very, very thin, even though it's textured. I can't speak today. But okay, so that is that. Bowls out of textured tissue paper. And the next video, very quickly, this is a bowl that I'm working on that was made with my handmade paper. And this is another thing I'm working on, which the balloon also burst. And I had to stick a balloon in there and blow it up again to keep its shape. So that's me. I'm always working on stuff. But this was the paper that I thought was really ugly, but it's not dry now, so we'll wait until it's dry and finished. But these are the initial stages of something that I thought was really ugly paper, and I really kind of like it. It reminds me of a cabbage or a cabbage bowl or something. So we shall see. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.